children, one way to cover one of the ways of measuring the rate of motion of an object is to find out the distance traveled by the object in the unit time. And this distance traveled by the object in unit time, per unit time, is known as speed. In this topic we will study about the speed of the object. Speed is defined as the distance covered per unit time. It is a scalar quantity, children. It needs magnitude only. It does not need direction. Then children, its SI unit is meter per second, and its unit can be higher units, larger units will be kilometer per hour, or smaller unit may be centimeter and per second. Children, most of the objects in motion, most will be, most cases the object will be in non-uniform motion. In that case, we measure the average speed of the object. To calculate the average speed of the object, that is equal to the total distance upon total time. That is total average speed is represented by V, and that is equal to S upon T. S is the distance traveled by the object, T is the total time. टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम से हम नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन वाले ऑब्जेक्ट की एवरेज स्पीड मेजर कर सकते हैं. You can better understand, you can also solve this example. An object travel 16 meters in 4 seconds and then another 16 meters in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? In these, children, you can calculate average speed is equal to total distance traveled will be 16 meter plus 16 meter, that will be 32 meters, and total time covered, that is 4 seconds plus 2 seconds, that will be 6 seconds. So you can solve it by dividing 32 meters by 4 seconds. We will get the average speed of the object. Now, children, next we will study about velocity. Children, velocity, that is defined as the speed with direction. Speed required only magnitude, but velocity required speed and speed with direction. Velocity is the distance covered per unit time in a particular direction. It also need magnitude and direction is needed for the velocity. That's why it is a vector quantity. It can be positive, negative, or when an object moving along a straight line, the variable speed, its average velocity is calculated in the same way as we calculate the average speed. When the object is moving in a straight line, then the average speed and average velocity will be same in the will be calculated in the same way, total speed upon total time formula से. लेकिन in case of the velocity of the object is changing at a uniform rate, then the average velocity will be equal to the initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. Then in this case, non-uniform motion के केस में हम average velocity measure करते हैं by calculating the arithmetic mean of the distance traveled. That is, average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. Mathematically, we can represent it. V average is equal to U plus V upon 2. U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity upon 2, and its unit is also meter per second. In these way, children, we can calculate the average speed and velocity